Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 7 civics chapter 7 market around us. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying the video, and if you want to watch more such videos you can get the link of playlist in the end of the video as well as in description box. Viewers, also tell me what more you want to watch on my channel, so please comment in the comment section and tell me. Let's start today's video. First question is, a dash market is so called because it is held on a specific day of the week. Answer is weekly. A weekly market is held on a specific day of a week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday market, Saturday market. Next question is, people prefer going to a market where they have a choice and a variety of dash. Answer is goods or products where they get variety and choice. They like to go there. Next question is, weekly markets are dash than permanent markets. Answer is cheaper because we in weekly markets there is no extra expenses while permanent shops. Next question is, in many urban areas there are large multi-storied air conditioned buildings with shops on different floors known as dash. Answer is malls. You have seen in your area also there are many malls with different floors. Next question is, the people in between the producer and the final consumer are the dash. Answer is traders. The people between producer and consumer are called traders. Next question is, the trader who finally sells the products to the consumer is the dash. Answer is retailer. The trader from whom a consumer purchase the product is known as retailer. Next question is, dash is a place where goods first reach in quantity and then supplied to other traders. Answer is wholesale market. Traders buy the products from wholesale markets and then sell to retailers. Next question is, there is a dash of markets that is formed before goods reach to its consumer. Answer is chain. There is chain of markets. First the product reach to wholesale market, then traders, and then retailers. Next question is, the weekly market traders earns dash compared to the profit of regular shop owners in shopping complex. Answer is little. Weekly market trader earns little as compared to the owner of a shopping complex, because shopping complex products are costly as they recover their other expenses also. Next question is, people in urban areas can enter markets without stepping out of their homes via dash. Answer is internet. Through internet like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho app. There are so many online shopping places. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends, subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet, and do press the bell icon